This is how to change the key fob battery on your 2-button Toyota key for your Corolla, your Auris, your Land Cruiser, anything that's got that particular key with a little screw in the back. So you're going to need a little tiny Phillips screwdriver. You're going to need a straight edge just to pop the cases open and maybe even assist getting the battery out. If you've got a decent fingernail, you can probably do the same thing. So take a little screw out. So it is a tiny screw. Then you need to separate the case. This is where a decent fingernail comes in very handy, or if you haven't, that's where you need the little flat bladed screwdriver. Right, that's the outer case separated, which now reveals the inner workings. And this has got a cover on it as well. If you can see just there, there's a little gap to get a nail or a little flat bladed screwdriver in, just to open it. To reveal a CR 2016 battery. So pop that out. Get rid of that one, like in all the best videos. Here's one I prepared earlier, CR 2016. Now there's some little tabs to line it up with, just up at the top here and one down the bottom. So slide it in and it just lines up. 2 tabs at the top and then there's a little one down here at the bottom. You can then flip it over, press a button, make sure it lights up before you put it all back together, which is the next job. That's the inner cover on. Line the buttons and the light up. Still working. Line the outer case up. Pop the screw back in. Bit fiddly this bit. And 1, 2. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.